Welcome back to my embroidery challenge. In today's part 1, we're creating a colorful floral pattern that combines texture, color, and creativity. I started with a bright yellow flower using loop stitch in the center to give it a 3D effect. Around it, I added tiny blue petals and green leaves to make the design look fresh and vibrant. The white flowers bring a soft contrast, and the pink round rose at the bottom adds a lovely finishing touch. Each stitch is done carefully to show how simple threads can turn into a beautiful piece of art. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll complete the design and make it even more elegant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more embroidery inspiration.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden, Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Painting in the basement apartment I rented with